Do you like something for nothing? Do you like saving money? Or maybe just you'd like to grow a few plants for the local fete. You want to do your bit to help the local school, community, or whatever it might be. Well, if you are like that, dividing plants is a fantastic way of looking as if you've got green thumbs to the whole world and saving money or doing whatever. Now, this is a Clivia, but there's so many different things. Could have been an agapanthus, could have been one of those cast iron plants, an aspidistra or whatever. Many of these sorts of things will chop up quite easily. Now, normally Clivias are done sort of in spring, once they finish flowering, and they flower sort of through winter. Before you do anything, check for the irrigation. There is one here. See the irrigation pipe there? So just make sure that's not in the way. And then normally for most plants, if you're like me and you keep a bit of an edge on your spade, it's simple enough just to spade plants apart, then you can do a little bit more elsewhere, but just see what we can do. Just aim between plants. Use your foot. The other reason for doing this, apart from propagating more plants, is that clumps of so many plants get very, very thick with time, and thinning them out just makes a lot of horticultural sense. Now, it's just a matter of chopping some of these apart. Well, that one, as it's come off, is probably fine. You could pop that up. There's no reason you can't go with two. Now, you can just, if you wish, very gently with a knife, chop them apart like that. There's two to go in the pots. But frankly, a bit of a waste of time. Ah! Ah! Much better. Now there you go. Dividing plants is as simple as that. If you think this is cruel and horrible, it's not. It's an easy way to do it. Any knife will do. And it's just a matter of potting these up now. Now, if you want to, of course, you can put these straight into the ground. You don't have to pop them up, but maybe you're going to sell them at the local fete or swap them to some of your friends for plants they grow. So just a matter of setting it in some nice potting mix, which you can make up yourself from a bit of compost that you have or whatever. River sand compost and so on. And there's a Clivia, and you'll be surprised how quickly that will develop into a new clump. And this sort of system works for so many plants. It's a great way of saving money. And you'll be surprised. You start off with just a few miserable little bits, and you get to the end of an hour's work or something, and you might have 40 or 50 of these things. How good's that?